Hey y'all, welcome to RNEWBBQ. I'm Richard. Glad you could join me today. As you can see by the smoke rolling past me, we ain't got time to lose today. I got rain coming in a little while and got to get the cook in. So we got the Weber starting to roll right now, and we're going to be doing up some Asian inspired honey and soy wings on the Weber using some Suckle Busters clucker dust. So let's go ahead and get started. We got a regular old pack of just some party wings here, some flats and some drums. We'll go ahead and hit it up with this Suckle Busters clucker dust here. Brings a nice flavor to the wings. They look good, they smell good, and to complete it off, throw some sesame seeds on top, and some green onions. There we go. Now we're moving on to the good part, taste test. Here we go. Oh yeah. Blue truck's back. Got that sweetness from the honey, got that heat from the Suckle Busters. Took no time at all. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.